Guys, Black Mafia Boss 777 here, and I'm gonna be playing Angry Birds, and let's get started. So, I guess this one, the first one, they move this. Okay, first level one, the Extragon, blah blah blah. Okay, come on. Okay, that was easy. Let me move this over here. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, what is this? Oh, wait, I didn't mean to do that. Wow. Okay. Ooh, okay. What is this an ad? Come on. Oh, come on. Okay, skip it. Game of War. I don't care about Game of War. I guess we'll. I always miss. I guess I just do this. Good thing I didn't throw anything else. Okay, get that. Am I gonna get a new character soon? I missed. Okay. It's not dead. Okay, let's just start. So right here. Okay, I gotta start that. Okay, so let's do this. I think. Come on. Right there. Okay, no, never mind. I'm not gonna make this. Okay, restart. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay, yeah. I did bad, but I'm here with my sister, Cindy. And Cindy, would you like to say something? Well, you did say something, but I want that prize. Keep the eyes on your prize. Oh, did I get the prize? Okay, let me see. Surprise gift. Okay, I killed him. Okay. Cindy's not gonna say anything right now, but she will tonight. Because today is an exciting day because she's gonna make a video by herself. So I'm gonna be there still with her, just helping her. But Cindy will be the one talking and playing a game. So yeah, that's some good news. Skip the video. Okay. Yeah, so that exciting news. Cindy's always been begging me to, she wants to play. I'm like, okay, you can play today. So at night, like at like 10.
If we don't go to school.
Well,
Or if we
10
10 or 7.
or a 10 or 8 or 7, one of those. But yeah. So yeah, Cindy will be making a video. Am I gonna get a new character soon? Okay. Okay. I'm restarting because I suck. Come on. I guess that one's dead. Yeah, that one's gonna die. Oh, come on. I think I hit the ice block. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to see. Come on. I'll restart. get this other pic. Come on.
Dude, there's gonna be some noises over here.
Oh, it failed. Okay, come on. As you see in my Dream League video, it was 15 minutes long, and it was hard. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but I'm pretty sure I failed this one. But okay, so in Dream League, I made a video, 15 minutes long. When I put to upload, it said it's too long. You need to do these things and settings on your computer. So I did that, and I got lucky. So I did that. 10 free. Ooh, good thing I was bad. Good thing I'm bad at this, and I got this shockwave. Okay. Okay. I'm ready to use this. Oh. Good thing I'm so bad at this game. I got this for free. Oh, yes. And I didn't mean to use it for, like, I didn't mean to do that, but it's because I really suck at this. How am I supposed to get that on there? So I press on it. Okay. How about the shockwave? I don't know. Come on. Hit the top. Whoa. Come on, that's really blocking me. I missed. Let me restart. What? So, I need to do this. Come on. Do this. Okay, I did it. I want that. Okay, I got a gold egg. Does it give me new person? I don't know. Come on. Shockwave for you. This is for you guys. This shockwave. This shockwave is for you guys. Come on in the middle. Let's go. I might be, yeah, like I said in my other videos, I'm probably gonna make a vlog on Saturday or on Sunday. Tell me if you guys want me to do it. Okay, Nat. Well, guys, I'm gonna be ending the gameplay here. I unlocked the bluebirds, so I'll be ending my gameplay. So I see you guys later, and I'll probably make a part 2. And I see you guys. Bye. My voice got bye.